Hi everyone, my name is Emily and I'm the Outreach Coordinator for the Morgantown Public Library System, and I'd like to present our 2023 Winter Reading Challenge called All the Feels. It is a virtual challenge hosted through Beanstack and it's bingo style. And in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about the structure of the challenge, how to register on Beanstack, and how to win prizes. Hi everyone, it's Emily again. I'm going to talk a little bit in this video about our winter reading challenge. So throughout the entire month of January, the Morgantown Public Library System is holding a winter reading challenge through Beanstack. And Beanstack is a website and app that allows users to track reading and participate in challenges hosted by the library. So in this video, I'm going to provide some instructions for getting started with Beanstack if you don't already use it, and for participating in this specific winter reading challenge. So to get set up with Beanstack, you can go to mympls.beanstack.org and you'll see a screen like the one that I'm sharing right now. So you will need to create an account and you can register an individual or family. And it will ask you to provide some information, and you can see the required information indicated by this red asterisk. And once you fill out that information, you should be set up with a Beanstack account, and then you'll be able to log in and participate in this challenge and future challenges that we hold. All right, so this is what the sign in page looks like. So I'm going to sign into my account. And from there, once the challenge is live, you'll be able to see this page that I'm showing. So the challenge this year is called 2023 All the Feels Bingo. And you'll see that during this challenge, you can earn badges, log reading in minutes, submit book reviews, complete different activities, and win prizes. So going over the 3x3 bingo card, which is how this challenge is structured, you'll see different ways that you can earn bingo. So if you just want to read during this challenge and not complete any of the activities, you can earn bingo on the diagonal by reading 8 hours, or about 480 minutes during the month of January, which is 2 hours per week, or about 16 minutes per day. And you can read any books that you'd like. They don't have to be related to the All the Feels theme. But if you do want to read themed books, we've created reading lists for each age group of books to make you cry, books to make you laugh, books to motivate and inspire you, and books to help you practice mindfulness. So you can also earn bingo by completing any full row or column, or as I said, diagonal on the card. And you can do a combination of reading and completing different activities, or just reading. So we've set up the card in such a way that you have to read at least 4 hours or 240 minutes, which is 1 hour per week, or around 8 minutes per day in January, to earn bingo. All right, so let's talk a little bit more about badges and prizes. So there are a total of 11 badges that you can earn throughout the challenge. So one is a registration badge and the other is a completion badge. And then there are 2 badges that you can earn for submitting book reviews, and then 3 logging badges for reading 4 hours, 6 hours, and 8 hours. And then there are 4 activity badges. So you can earn a badge for asking a librarian a question, for coming into the library and checking out a book, for reading a graphic novel or comic and telling us your favorite scene, and for just coming into the library. So keep in mind that all of these badges are virtual and are earned through Beanstack. But there are 2 ways to enter into our prize drawing for gift cards to local businesses. So one way to be entered into the drawing is by logging 4 hours or 240 minutes throughout the challenge. And then the other way is by completing bingo. So again, a row, column, or diagonal of 3. And we'll have 3 prize drawings for our 3 age groups. So there is a drawing for a $25 Phoenix Bakery gift card for adults ages 18 and up, a drawing for a $25 gift card to Black Bear Burritos for teens, and that's ages 13 through 17, and then a drawing for 2 one-hour jump passes at Launchpad for children, and that's ages 5 through 12. And all of those prizes were graciously donated by our local businesses, so a big thank you to them for those donations. And then another thing to keep in mind is that the drawings are weighted. So the more reading you log and activities you complete, the higher your chances of winning one of the prize drawings. And then this year, we will also be rewarding 140 people who earn bingo with a participation prize of a mug. So it's a Morgantown Public Library System mug, and then you will also receive a packet of hot chocolate mix with that. And you can pick that up from the Morgantown Public Library. So the challenge is system-wide. You can participate at any MPLS location, but for the participation prize of the mug, you will need to pick that up from our downtown location. And mugs will be available for pickup in person starting on Wednesday, February 1st and running through February 15th. And mugs are available for participants who complete bingo on a first come, first served basis. So make sure you bring proof that you have completed bingo. And if you have any questions or need further information, there will be more information on our website, mympls.org. And for any Beanstack questions, you can visit their online help center, which is zubeen.zendesk.com, for any Beanstack support that you may need. Thank you for watching the video. We really hope you enjoy this challenge, and happy reading!